Hello guys, welcome back again. Yeah, just an update on what's happening to this food truck thing, food truck business I'm trying to start, but it's not happening at all, man. I don't know what's happening. I don't know, is it something I've done wrong or what? I don't know. What did I do wrong? I'm trying to figure this out. I can't do it. It's just not happening right now. Not happening at all. It's just stressing me out proper. Everything is it's too much right now. It's too much. Too much, man. It's like I've tried everything I can and it's just not happening at all. Don't know. I sold my car. You see, the thing is, my van I got. A long story short, I bought a van and I was paying. It's supposed to be a friend of mine. Paying him off small, little by little. I got ill because I've got a B12 deficiency, so I was in hospital, so I couldn't work, so I couldn't pay the agreement we had in place. I could pay it, but not as much as what we agreed, but I was still paying it. So I finished paying it now, so I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna use this money. Well, I say money. I use the van, sell the van, and start my business with that money. But this guy decided he doesn't want to give me the paperwork for the vehicle after I finished paying him. So I've waited like 2 months now to get the paperwork, because without the paperwork I cannot sell the vehicle. So now it's sold now. So now time to sell the vehicle. Go into the vehicle, it won't start. Battery's dead. Obviously I've left it for so long. I've started every now and then, but there's times I forget to start it, and then now it won't start. So I change the battery, it's not the battery. So now I'm have to go into engine, I have to be checking for this, that. This is stressful, man. Very, very stressful right now. So it's I don't know what to do. I'm trying everything I can, but it's just it's getting on top of me now. I'm trying my best to do everything I can, but it's very stressful. It's not only that, obviously I got other things. There's so many other things. This one little video, I won't be able to tell you exactly what, but I'll try and I'll give more details on what's happening. I'll let you know, guys, and I'll see how things are getting on. I'll let you guys know, and I'll give you guys more update on as to what. But I'm trying everything so this can happen, man. I'll let you know.